Hello YouTube, this is Lolly's wrong channel. This is DevRBX, and in this video I'm gonna do some updating. I'm gonna do changes with this game because I just released it. If you haven't known yet, it has like 5,000 players, which is way more than I expected. And what I'm gonna do is, as you can see right here, let me just remove this top screen right there. If I chart, like press a little dot, it's number 8, but you don't know what leaderboard that's from. It could be from Roblox, bet it could be from Top Gems, could be anything. But I'm gonna try and add little emojis right next to it to see which one is, like an egg emoji, if you're an egg maybe. And yeah, so let's get started. Okay, so kind of this like a lazy way. My scripts are messy because it's like months old scripts, which I have gone better. So first of all, I'm gonna go to the text chat script right here. Where is the right here, highest leaderboard ranks? But now I want to do is I'm just going to show a little stat. So let me do if high leaderboard stat currency. Let's just say if it's energy, total energy, then we get a energy emoji just like this. And if I go back into studio, like I can do this. Should I do? We see how it looks. Right. So that's energy done. Now I'm just going to check if and this. Actually, that's too messy. Let's do if and this, then I just need to put this inside. There we go. And now I need to do else ifs statements. That's crap. I messed up there. Else if it's total gems, then I need to do gem emoji. So let's do gem. Let's get that right there. And let's do total strength. Let's just see what leaderboards we have in the game. Okay, so there is most secrets hatched, most eggs hatched, top gems, top energy, damage dealt, rebirths. And the top strength, which I'll just do right now, is in here. So let me do this one. Total strength. I need like a fist emoji, like a punch emoji, and try punch. Okay, that will do. But I don't want this to be like firstish. I want this one here now to be total rebirths. So here will be a rebirth. Rebirths are like a repeat. Let me try again. Repeat emoji. Okay, that's the best I'm gonna get. Let's go back into this and check that there. And now total rebirth is done. What else do I need to do? The free to play should be last. Secrets hatched or eggs? I think I want to do damage dealt first because that's more known a bit. Total damage dealt. total damage dealt. I don't know what emoji to put this. Like I don't really know where to put it other than a fist. Perfect. I can use this little punching glove right there. Okay. Let me chuck that in there now. And let me see what currency is next. Currency, but data, you know what I mean? I'm gonna go to eggs and then secrets and then Robux spent leaderboard. So I need an egg emoji, which is right there. I just do total eggs and secrets. So secrets be like a question mark. Might change in the future if we add any other rarities. Question mark emoji. And total secrets hatched. Now Roblox leaderboard. Let's just chuck money in here because why not? Still do that one right there. Total Robux spent. Now I'm gonna do the free leaderboard, which I'm not gonna record that because it's just boring. Okay, now that is done. I am now going to go to the leaderboard script, which is here. And now all I have to do now is make this attribute and check which number I set. Show it first, and just to check it if it's stored energy or free to play energy or something like that, you know what I mean? So I can't remember what it was. It was LB's. Okay. What I have to do is, where do I set? It's been a while, sorry. If it's over 1, then player set attribute. I'd make it exactly like that, and I need the currency which I've messed up. Okay, I didn't mess up, I haven't made it yet, I haven't made support. So it's simple fix, the ranks table, where do I create it? Okay, so I can just do rank number equals the rank, and I can do rank currency equals this. Okay, and now up here will have to be rank number and this one as well. I'll have to add this into the data as well because high leaderboard currency will be set to I can't talk, rank currency, and to make this I need to go into the data right there, duplicate, make this a string, and that's empty for now. Okay, so I might need to redo all of these names because it's different up here. I'm gonna do it, I'm not gonna put it on camera because that would just be boring. Okay, it's done. Let's test. Okay, if I like type now, I've got second in Robux spent, I think that's what it is. Yep, Robux spent. Not gonna lie, I might add emojis to the text to make it more understandable why it is. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments. and peace.